Shubor nakaslem jong Nongseng Hima.
Ketenat Commerce and Industries jong sarkar jelah kekat artri unok pra arjar arpusau kalau pendongi ke program sam Syrnod shiki Nongseng kam Lajong ha Jinghikai Jinghikai le ni ke training kepada long Sngi ha IIM Shillong yang kepada pendong nadu ke kendai trik unok pra bat kebakut mentak Sngi kekat artri unok pra arjar arpusau Hagani ke Sngi sam Syrnod ki don hadu san pongut ki balayo Pdiang ki beden ki kekat artri ki district ke jelah ki bakin topru na garo Hagani ke Sngi na kalyang ba ML Wanshnong Directorate of Commerce and Industries ubara long ru kumukongsan ubara sam ni Syrnod shiki Nongseng kam Lajong haga jingin lang uba Malngiang General Manager jong ke District Commerce and Industries but kiwei Kajing penlong ni gani ke program kalong kum sibenta kumno ban penroy ginong hikai jong ki MSME Mentor Development Program naga benta ginong sengkam sengjam kadang ban penkeu bat pensted ya kajing terekam jong ki la kalong gi baso jan ki basnatiar snatar ki basna umngam nalor ki wei di ki jadkam haba keren gani ke skin kalyang uba Wanshnong bade Directorate of Commerce and Industries ula aimen sim ya baro ginong penyat bat ginong sengkam Lajong daga baong bakumno ban wanra ah baro kidong kithan bat ban hikai gi pat ba bakin aikam ai jam lang ye ki weiru kilong kmilong pa kibalong kinong sengkam Lajong kila pen pa baleng ba gani ke program kalong kejing mentoy bat ru kalong kum kejing ai jingmut ye ki wei pat bat ya baro bakumno ban long kum kita kinong aimen sim lani ginong hikai ban ya trailang
श्रीमती लाइए हमने पदियां माइटी संसेवले श्रीमती लारी शीशा शिलास जेवा Yo ban interact bagi entrepreneur bafet ha kalian jong kahandlum ru komungi sujan ni la yo ban yo ya kendo ki entrepreneur ki bapini ya ki raw material kum kajan na ka handlum ikong basna sabon ru ni la ya discuss nam ta ki sabon ban peni ban yarap na kumta stain removal ye ni snow Kemen bagi yo ban ya ai jing mut lang ban ni yo ban pentelur ni ya ka kam ka jongi leng ba ka jing yarap iwe ye na ai kublai ba kani ka program wala kalong kapuar ka bakandiat ndai kala ai men siem ni bang kumno bangin long kumki mentor hapo kani ka jala ka jongi nama kawai pada nakalian ki jonga ngaden ya ka training center hakaba lengba ka jing yarap jong ka DCIC office ngalayo ban nang kim shoprang ya kadi ka kam hakaba ngalayo ban employee ya ki khana ki bala pass na po training center jonga hi ngalayo ba ngan chim ya ki product jongki kumki production unit hakapo ka sel outlet ki jonga so man ai khuble ya kani ka IIM nama ba hasla kan wan chinde ngalai yo mat shibun ki jing we entrepreneur Haduk bangaso ko mangan kuit na ikakam tang ba hadian bangan awan sini ngaso bangayo shibun ki training ba pair halor ka marketing ba kiwi de kunaban manage ka finance ba kiwi te ngaso ngalayo shibun ki jumentoy na kani te ngaso ban ai kublay ya ka IIHM ni bara buway ba ka DCIC bala jet yang ha ban wan hangi kublay shibun ye ai kublay ya kibaro kinong peniat ya kani ka program kunjuro ya ka MSME mo la ai ni training kamtam ya ka DCIC ka belatan mau perpakai ka kerken junga banwan hatane ka training dia kat lu tolong gaji mentoy habang perkat nama ba mata ke bangan tip bagi ke bangan pat dia snel hatane ka training ka bamenta ngalayo sibun Jinghikai di babun na kaliang Jinghikai kita ai ba pensay yang ni na kabra kumno bangin tre ka kam kajam kumno bangin penyan ya ka kam bajongi pat kumno bangin yo ya kayo kababiang kumju ban ya
din lang bat iyo gitar her ke besabar nasir bat sabar tunjuk ru habang iwan ne gila kedu para mangi ki Nongseng ka Lajong ni ki baphe ki kam ni la yo banya liu jimut banya discuss ki kam jangi lengba da dega training ka ba ni la yo halan ka pod dia na ai publish bun namar ba ni la yo e ka jangan toy kumno banwan ra ha hidong bat kithan ki jangi banikai dia ki weipat kumjuro ngai kublei baka lengba da ka DCIC ngalayo ban ai kam ya ki wei ro lengba da ka jingerap lengba da ka jing sponsor jong ka DCIC khamtam ya ki khna ki bal pep school ki bom dan kam dan jam ai ngalayo ban yarap katno kalong ka jing terkho lengba da ka DCIC kapang nama ngasmeu ba kalat ka bakrau ka ai ni na kalian ka DCIC dia nga ai kublei ya pi baro kunjuru ya ki paraba ya wan lahan ya ban hagani ka training
which we are lacking from that packaging, and I learned that we have to design so that it will be attract to customer. I learned also about today itself. I learned about importing and exporting, which Sir taught us our one website which you can check the company and the flow of the business in that. I learned from that also. Thank for the teaching us, and I want to learn more from this institute. Thank you so much.
Kami berang persang yang tak food processing ada meat umap stay. Tiga snow yo kejimuto ya bagi jingga kulu tak berpenyek kam jungi berpenak sakmat ni snow kejingga kui tak kena kisau swing yo Jinghikai kejingga tai berbun. Mat ni kermen ba kumba leng sarkar ka Ngut ka kuat ban penkiu ini tak kan dan keji kermen rupa ka sarkar kanang lan nyerap ini debata panai kilat kelenci kuno hak ni manglak ban penyek pran ni berpenak yang kani ka kam ka pingitre kanang ya sekmatan kita hanya kuai kublei di borak kublei ci jarwo kucing alat cuci.
New things that's enhance our business, and we got the good opportunity to come here in IIM. I thank the government of Meghalaya and the DCIC to give us this opportunity to learn the new things about the business, and we hope that in future for applying this education, we upgrade our business. Thus, we are thinking for a better future. That's awesome.
I wish each and every one of you like a very successful journey ahead, since you have been learning many things from this program, and you by now I think you'll have a bit of the mentorship skill with you, where you can guide your other employee, your neighbors, anyone in your place, in your region. You can help them, you can guide them in order to also give them a chance to start their own, means to assist them in starting their own businesses. So you should be mentors, you should help so that whatever you have learned from here will also be like, for us also, it will also give the satisfaction that the program has really has a positive impact on each and every one of you. So take each and everything that you have learned from here and try to apply from now onwards so that your business will keep on growing. So we wish each and every one of you a very happy journey ahead, and also keep on contacting each and every one of you, because working as a team will help you building up your business every time. Okay, so use this opportunity which you have. You have met so many friends doing different manufacturing different items and giving different services, so you can meet every now and then, contact any one of them, so that you can have a joint collaboration among each and every one of you in order to build up your business. So you go to your district, and if you have any problem, you can go to the respective DCIC, you can meet the GM, you can meet the managers there. They can guide you and help you in anything that you have learned from here also. If you need more information, they will also express all your views to the higher authority of our department, which is the Directorate of Commerce and Industries.
This MNDP program is, as I have told you on the very first day, is a part of the joint efforts both by the Department of Commerce and Industries and Indian Institute of Management Shillong. Sir, we have shared a lot regarding your technical insight, the business strategies, what will be in the long run help the MSME scenario of the state. So now, since we have completed successfully this focus, it is your role is pivotal now. No, because we are not only the entrepreneurs, but also you have been groomed as a mentor. No? So when you go back to your respective district, respective area, kindly you contribute as a mentor to your MSME micro enterprise, cottage enterprise, and will be helpful for your community, and also MSME is a backbone, you strive for the economy of the state. I also want to express gratitude to the Ministry of MSME, especially through RAM division. Without their help, we won't be able to conduct such program, which is very best. And for your kind knowledge, especially the women entrepreneurs, there is another component on this RAM program, and the best entrepreneurs in terms of greening mean affluent women or maybe this environmental issues, less waste and all. We incentivize the women entrepreneurs with 10,000 rupees on this RAM scheme also. So we are looking for a very huge target, more than 500 women entrepreneurs will be incentivized. So don't forget, you are already the player on this game. So when you go back to your respective district, we have got all the offices of district commerce industry center. You meet those general managers, and they will groom you, they will guide you how to apply this opportunity. It is just like a contest, there is a jury members and all, and applications of type. How do you do about these screening aspects and all? There are so many criteria, and those who are you come through with this marking system and all, then you will be selected because more than 500 will be target will be there.